So, hi guys! In this video is gumawa tayo ng mga questions about basketball and naghanap tayo ng pwede nating mapagtanungan ng mga questions na ginawa natin. So, first question is, what are the preparations you have made before the competition?
Before competition, number one na binibuild ko is yung physical condition ko through strength training, cardio workout, and agility exercise para ma-enhance yung endurance, speed, and overall physical fitness ko. Pangalawa is skills development. Ini-enhance or pinapractice namin ang dribbling, shooting, passing, and defensive techniques. At ang panghuli is ini-enhance ko yung chemistry ko among teammates.
Second question is, what is the most challenging part as a basketball player?
Ang challenging part as basketball player is kapag walang teamwork na nangyayari during the game. And if nagka-injury ako during the game.
Next question is, what are the challenges that you have encountered before, during, and after the game?
Problem that I encountered before game is lack of practice or training. And during game is lack of teamwork. The referee is biased and ang nagka-injury ako or yung teammates ko yung nagka-injury.
How you accept when you losing a game and win after the game?
Be a sportsmanship, respect, or accept the result, and iisipin ko na lang na may susunod pa namang game na mas gagalingan ko pa para sa susunod is kami naman yung mananalo.
Fifth question is, what is the practice that you have ever endured?
The worst practice that I ever endured is yung hindi po nakakondisyon yung katawan ko.
Is there any particular significance to your jersey number?
Yes, it's my birthday number. It's 11, like this.
How do you channel your frustration when the referee decision doesn't go your way?
Mas nagfo-focus ako sa para makarami ng puntos, and mas nag-iingat ako sa mga galaw ko. If you love basketball, just practice more and develop your skills.
What advice that the coach given you that you'll always remember?
The advice that coach given me that I'll always remember is dapat manalo kami ng walang sinasaktang kalaban. Just enjoy the game. Focus lang sa
What tips would you give to someone going out for basketball?
The tips would I give to someone going out for basketball? Just practice more and develop your skills in basketball, and huwag kang mahiya if there is basketball competition. Then, sumali ka. That is opportunity for you to show your skills in basketball.
Last question is, what has basketball taught you that carries over into your life?
Basketball taught me about the importance of other expectations. Tapos yung mga sumusuporta sa'yo kasi sa basketball, yan ang dahilan na ba't namin pinag-iigihan ang bawat laro. Dahil ayaw namin mabigo sila. Just in my real life, as a student, mas pinag-iigihan ko pang pag-aaral ko because of the expectation and the support of my family.